So start laying down with your feet a little bit wider than your hips, almost mat distance apart. Arms out to sides, palms up. Just take a breath in. As you breathe out, lower legs down to the right like windshield wipers. And as you breathe in, back to center. And then breathe out, change sides. And go through this a few more times at your own breath pace. When you end up on the right side, stay to the right. You might even slide that left heel a little closer to the left hip. So you get a nice stretch going down the hip flexor and back. So just close the eyes and take 3 breaths here. And then exhale, legs back to center. Make sure they're mat distance apart as you take a breath in. And then let legs fall over to the left. That right heel can come a little closer, so your right knee becomes parallel with the outside edges of your mat. And then start to feel that stretch in the hip flexor and thigh. 3 deep breaths, and if there's any knee pain, just shift the foot until you find a comfortable spot for the knee. And then on your exhale, bring your knees back to center. Draw both knees into the chest. You can hold on to knees, shins, or backs of thighs. So you hold on to right leg, let the left leg extend. Take a breath here, right knee toward right shoulder. And then interlace hands on the back of that thigh, press the heel to the sky. When you do this, draw the leg away from the body, resist it with the hands, spread the toes. After a few breaths here, begin to point the toes to the sky, stretching down the top of the foot, the front of the leg. Take 3 breaths here. And then moving as slow as you can, keep the legs steady. Just start to make circles with the ankle in one direction. And then the opposite direction. And then once again, press through the heels, spread the toes. Keep the legs steady, just shift the toes from left to right. So finding a little bit of ankle movement. And then draw knee back to the chest. Hold on to that knee and just start to make circles with the knee going in one direction. And then the opposite direction. And then give the knee a squeeze. Draw left knee in to meet the right. Now we'll change sides, so let that right leg extend. Press through the heels, spread the toes, and draw that left knee toward left shoulder. Start to interlace hands behind the left thigh. Press the heel to the sky. Spread the toes as you draw the toes back to the shin. Take a few breaths. And then start to reach toes to the ceiling. Toes spread wide until you can feel a stretch across the top of your foot. Breathe deeply. And then just start to make circles going in one direction in slow motion. And then circles in the opposite direction. And then press through the heels, spread the toes. And shift the toes left to right. Press through the heel. And then draw knee back to the chest. You can hold on to the knee, or you're welcome to release the knee. Just start to make circles going in one direction, finding that range of motion of the hip. And then let the circle go the opposite direction. And then give the knee a squeeze. Draw both knees in. You can bow the head toward the knees. And then lay down, taking the legs in a diamond shape. The arms can go overhead in a diamond. Close the eyes and rest here as long as you're comfortable.